Hi, I'm William Beckett, Director of Hip Impact Protection, which I founded in 2009 after my elderly sister-in-law had fallen and broken first one hip, then later on the other, because she had osteoporosis. So I determined to find a way to safeguard elderly fallers. I found that the existing hip protective products were either far too uncomfortable to wear or so soft they were barely protective. But I had heard of this new material invented in the UK that was soft, cool and comfortable, but twice as effective for a given thickness as anything else around. With this product, which we call Fall Safe, we've made inroads into the market and sold the product worldwide to customers such as the NHS in the UK, MedProtech in the US, several large hospitals in Hong Kong, and through our joint venture Mini SV in China, generating revenues from both B2B and B2C markets. But soon we discovered that the real problem was falls, as well as fractures, so I decided to augment the protectors with a sensor embedded in the hip pads to detect falls and do something about preventing them. Various reports showed that the ROI for this was better than 20 times, so this was clearly the way to go. And it would also prove for the first time the effectiveness of good hip protection. To proceed, we teamed up with a highly reputable and well-established Israeli company that already supplied a wearable sensor which could be adapted to detect falls. So we commissioned them to produce and test a software module that would infallibly detect falls when it was positioned on the hip, the most stable part of the body. This will give a much better signal-to-noise ratio than pendants or wristwatches, which tend to produce so many false positive alarms that they're unusable. The sensor automatically collects the data from all falls and uploads it to a falls database, the very first that has ever been produced, as it has always been impossible without a wearable sensor. The aim is to be able to analyse falls and to find measures to reduce them. We will also monitor the wearer's walk in real time to analyse it and identify potentially disastrous anomalies that could lead to a fall. Again, a first. Note that we have patents in the UK, USA and Europe for this technology. For sure, falls are a very important and increasingly urgent problem, one that may affect all of us as we get older, but one that has not yet been solved. Indeed, many of the attempts have only made things worse. So I leave you with two questions. Who is going to solve it, if not us? And if not now, when? Thank you.